Consider a triangle ABC. Now from the vertex A, if I draw a line segment AM in such a way that M is the midpoint of BC, that means BM and CM are equal, then such a line segment AM is called as a median of a triangle. So what is the median? The line segment which joins the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side is called a median of a triangle. Do we have some more medians in a triangle? Of course. Let's draw a median from B to the opposite side AC, which is BN, and let's draw a median from C to the opposite side AB, which is CO. So because a triangle has three vertices, so of course every triangle will have three medians. Now in this case, AM, BN and CO are the medians of a triangle. Can you see the point where the three medians are meeting? Yes, that is the point. Now this point where all the three medians meet is called as the centroid of a triangle. So in this case, this G point is called the centroid of the triangle. No matter whatever type of triangle you have, acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle or right angle triangle, the centroid always lies inside the triangle. What are altitudes of a triangle? Consider a triangle ABC. In this case, I am taking an acute angle triangle. From the vertex A, I will draw a line segment AD, which is perpendicular to the opposite side. See this sign. This sign means 90 degree. That means AD is making a 90-degree angle with this opposite side BC. Such a line segment is called as an altitude of a triangle. So a line drawn from the vertex which is perpendicular to the opposite side is called the altitude of a triangle. Do we have more altitudes? Of course we will have. So consider this altitude from B to the opposite side AC, making an angle of 90 degree, and now then this altitude from C to the opposite side AB. Because a triangle has three vertices, so we will have altitude from all the three vertices. So we will have always three altitudes in a triangle. Now can you see the point where all the three altitudes are meeting? This point is called as the orthocenter of a triangle. So in this case, H is the orthocenter of the triangle. This is an acute angle triangle, and always remember that in the acute angle triangle, the orthocenter lies inside the triangle, always inside the triangle. But if this is an acute angle triangle, what are the cases for right and obtuse angle triangle? Let's see the position of orthocenter in the right and obtuse angle triangle. Consider a right angle triangle ABC, where an angle B is of course 90-degree angle. Now altitude, if I draw from A to the opposite side BC, then this yellow line is my altitude. It is of course making an angle of 90 degree on the opposite side BC. Now, this is the altitude from A. Let's draw the altitude from B to the opposite side AC, making an angle of 90 degree. And then from vertex C, when I draw the altitude to the opposite side AB, again, it will come like this. So you can see that in a right angle triangle, the altitudes AB and the CB are actually coinciding with the sides of the triangle. Okay. Now, so where will our orthocenter be? The point where all these three yellow lines are meeting, the altitudes are meeting, is called the orthocenter. So in this case, the orthocenter is same as the vertex B. So always remember, in the right angle triangle, the orthocenter lies on the vertex of the right angle triangle. Now, what will happen in the obtuse angle triangle? Consider this obtuse angle triangle ABC, where this angle B is the obtuse angle around 110 degrees. All right. Now, if I want to draw an altitude from A to the opposite side BC, of course, my BC side is little bit to this side. So I will extend it on this side, and that is why I have made it dotted. Now let's draw the altitude from A to the opposite side BC, and this is the altitude. And of course, this altitude will lie little bit outside the triangle. Let's draw the second altitude from B to the opposite side AC, and I have purposely extended this altitude little bit more to coincide with the first altitude drawn from vertex A. Now my third altitude from C again needs a dotted line, because if I draw a 90-degree line from C, it will lie somewhere over here. So I will extend my line AB a little bit towards the outside direction, and let's see where our altitude from C lies over here. So you can see that all the three altitudes from A, from B and from C, they are meeting at this point, and this point is the orthocenter. So where does the orthocenter lie in the obtuse angle triangle? It always lies outside the obtuse angle triangle. So in the acute angle triangle, it lies inside. In the right angle triangle, it lies on the vertex. And in the obtuse angle triangle, it lies all outside the triangle. So that was for today. My next module will be on exterior angle property of a triangle. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.